विकी है जिसको हाँ विकी है विकी है एक पिक्चर हाँ टर्न दिस वे हाँ तो इस तरफ आ जाओ
और यहाँ पे क्या हो यार पंद्रह साल के केबल को नॉट डन
होल्ड ऑन
सर राइट में वेट सर वेट
सेंटर सेंटर
Hey, no.
Icon. The Arnold.
कौन सी पिक्चर में
come this way
सर सर आइए
तुलिका जी
अरे तुलिका
everyone in mind just one
Yeah. How you
just get them please
Congratulations. So we're here with the Superstar Creators League launch. What do you have to say? Do you know how excited are you?
Well, we moved from cricket, now we're doing football. We haven't moved, we're doing football also, so we're very happy to include another sport into our category of sports. And we all, our main theme is always the same, networking through sport. We want like-minded people to come along with their families and play some amateur football. We played amateur cricket, now we're playing amateur football. And just want people to come and spend time with us.
So which is your favorite sport?
Football.
Cricket or
Football for me, I played thrice a week, so it is my favorite.
So what's going to be different?
Well, we have, this is fun because we have girls being part of the team also. So we want to include everyone and make it a wholesome sport. We want families to come and watch. It's going to be competitive, but we want families and their friends to come and, it's like a weekend out. How do you get entertained? You either go watch a movie, you go to a mall, you go to restaurants, or you come and play football with us.
So what's the format?
Yeah, so we're doing a 9-on-9, 9 versus 9. We have about 8 teams now?
Yeah,
Or 6 teams?
8 teams.
8 teams.
8 teams, and we have 7 boys and 2 girls in every team.
So when
In
we
the
talk
playing
about,
9.
When we talk about creators, that sounds very interesting. What do you have to say about that?
Sorry, say
So
about.
when you talk about creators, it sounds interesting. So what is
So
what
with SSL, Superstar League, we went to cricket. Creators were doing football. So now we are coming together and doing a league, football league together.
Gaurav, we are here in Naranda with the launch of Superstar Creators Premier League. What do you have to say?
I and Danish have connected about 5-6 years now, and I think Superstar Cricket First League, we were the part, Bombay Adda was the host for them. So he just came up and saying that our guys and I love to support the sport.
And what would you like to say?
Creators belongs to a very good friend of mine, Pranav, school friend, and Superstar League is with my buddies. So looking forward for good fun and networking. It's about
What are your expectations with this? Obviously, you are going places with sport. And
You know,
that's
right
been your
now,
passion.
we're just including more sports, building it up, building the company as we go. We're not thinking far ahead. We're thinking of what next. We want people to come and have fun, and this is only our first season. So once the first season is over, I'll be in a better position to answer what we have in mind. Where cricket is concerned, we have a bigger plan because that's really set, and the teams have enjoyed themselves. The people who have been part of the teams have enjoyed themselves, so they have something to talk about. Football, this is the first time we're venturing into this space, so we're going to test the waters and see how it goes. Oh shit! Sorry, Fly News. Maaf
Looking forward to
kijiye.
a good season, yeah?
Also, we should talk about a concept now. Superstar League and creators, our concept is networking with HNIs, politicians and celebrities. That includes men and female.
It's a good mix of people that we're bringing together.
Thank you. How are you? And one day we'll start poker. Thank you.
Look right. Thank you. Ma'am, look here. Thank you.
Sure.
What do you have to say? Firstly, congratulations.
Thank you. Shukriya. Football's a religion. I don't think it's a sport. Around the world, it's the #1 sport. I think India is going to see a new wave and a new format with what is in the offering now. And SSL creators coming together, I think, is going to be a story of its own. So look forward to it, and look forward to football with a twist.
So how did the collaboration happen? I mean, the idea of cricket, and it's a conference now when you talk about cricket and football. So how did the idea come?
I think we're all passionate people. Everyone came together, and I think sport speaks first. And I think the platform was already happening while creators and SSL creating their own spaces. So I think the unification was bound to happen, and we're old friends. So I guess this is a good time to try this out together. And yes.
So you have women also in the creators. What do you have to say, and how challenging would it be?
I think women are at the forefront of everything, be it sports, politics, be it any field that you are in. And I think both of them have come together, and the entire team has come together with women and men, not just competing against each other, but with each other and in different teams. And I think sports always brings people together. It's brought businessmen together, politicians together, the media together. And we're actually building the whole business, not just as a way to make people understand that this is a way of minting money. It's not. It's a way of bringing people together to make sports in India, be it football, cricket, basketball, everything come together and go forward. And I think women in the team, there are going to be 2 women and 7 men, and I think we're going to have replacements as well in the team. And I think it is brilliant because women are no less than men, and to have all of them come together, I think it is brilliant. And I think
Well said.
they are empowering women through this because women are coming together with the men. They're not separate, so there's no distinction. Everyone's together and everyone's one, and I think it's brilliant. And I think SSL is going to do really well because creators with the Superstar League is going to go forward. I can't hear you. Can you?
In India, usually it's other sport which is being pursued by women. So football, what's the response do you
I think women do play football. I used to play football. I owned a team in creators as well called Girls with Goals.
Yeah.
So I don't think the only thing is the way we look at football in our country for women or even for men for that matter is based on the exposure the media gives us as well. It depends on how we treat the women, be it cricket, hockey, be it any athletics, be it badminton. It's all about how the facilities are provided to the women, how good they are at what they do, what medical facilities you provide them with, what's the financial infrastructure behind every sport. So be it football, today women are coming out because we are not just giving them the permission to come out, because people are accepting women can be in their shoes and they can kick balls. So the important fact is that we let them do that.
And why should boys have all the fun?
Pun intended. Why should boys have all the fun? Because women are strong, and having men support women is what we need the most today. Because when they support us, when strong women and men support each other, we only build forward. And I think football is a great way of women empowerment. So I think everyone's coming out of their cocoon and they are going forward. Schools have football, colleges have football. So I think the media needs to support women now. The government needs to support the players as well.
Powerful.
Yeah.
Well, powerful. Well said.
So I'm from the Superstar League. Basically, our thing about sports is networking through sports and also women empowerment. So we try to this season we joined with creators. Creators were already in football. They are great to collaborate. So we're trying to expand. We're trying to take it a notch further. We want women to come out and play more of sports, and we want businessmen to come out and encourage their children and family members to play. That's
Your family needs to support because people don't support their kids playing football, be it women. They have to come out.
Pranav, would you like to conclude with what's the future for Superstar Creators?
I think the future can be as we tread the course, we're going to tread it together. I think there are a lot of learnings that will happen through this process. Friendship kept aside, we're all here to make sure we nurture a good environment and an ecosystem of players and women and men as equals. And there'll be a lot of learnings from this, and we'd like to collaborate with SSL, with Samir Khan, Danish, Mohammad Ali, Dino, and Suraj, who I haven't seen, but he should be here, together, and we create a system and take that forward.
Yeah, it's a small family. We're going to expand it.
Yes,
we're going to
there you
build
go.
We're going to build it. Thank
you.
you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.
All right.
I don't. What am I supposed to say? Hi. Yeah. I'm actually really excited that women are playing in this league. I think that's my primary reason for being here. Some of my friends are playing. Mansi Scott is playing. And hopefully you'll also see me playing for the league. I'm talking to them. I think girl power, feminism. I'm just so excited that women are playing. Thank you.
Sir, right. Sir, right. Sir, right. Wait. Ma'am, wait. Who's your son? Oh, yeah, sir, video link. Visual road.
You've been into active gymming, yoga, sports. So today you're here for the launch of the Superstar Creators Premier League, which is a football. What do you have to say?
I want to wish Samir and the Football League all the very best. Football is an amazing sport. We have a lot of Indians who are strong, who need this kind of support that Samir is providing and this league is going to provide. I wish you all the best, and I really want to, I know that you're going to do an amazing job. Thank you.
Speak away from this. I can talk about Arada, no problem.
There's doing places, it's fashion, it's food, it's nightlife, now it's sports. So we are hosting Superstar Creators League here, which is into football. So how do you think of collaborating with the brand that you have with the football league?
So the story started in Superstar Cricket League 1 when we hosted Bombay Adda. Like Bombay Adda was the host for that cricket league, and all these sports they connect the youth. So it really inspires us to be connected with Danish and Superstar League, Suraj and Samir, and all of them.
So what's special the
So always they have an opening party, like how IPL has got. They have got an opening party, and we are hosting this party for them. Thank you.
हाँ पिक्चर लो
Sorry, please come again.
What do you have to say about football as a sport?
Oh, I love it, and I think it's growing slowly bigger and bigger in our country. And I think बहुत ज़रूरी है अगर ऐसे जब टूर्नामेंट्स होते रहेंगे तो शायद और फुटबॉलर्स को भी एक मौका मिलेगा काम करने के लिए एंड इंडिया में फुटबॉल को थोड़ा और सीरियसली लेने के लिए. And I think there are a lot of football tournaments going really good. ASFC, I think I'm really following ASFC, and I think after this, I think this will do really good for I think all the footballers I think who follow football actually. Oh, my song. Okay, which song? I should sing one of my songs. ख्वाबों से ज़्यादा आंसुओं से दोस्ती कर बैठे, जीने की ख्वाहिश में लम्हा लम्हा मर बैठे. तू ऐसे जुदा हुआ, मैं रात तू सुबह हुआ, तुझ पे मैं मरता रहा, तुझे याद मैं करता रहा. रुला के गया इश्क तेरा, रुला के गया इश्क तेरा, के माने नहीं दिल ये मेरा, कैसे चुप मैं कराऊं वे. Thank you very much.